y'all, it's Quaniyyah. So in today's video I will be showing y'all how I got this little natural glow with this Bantu knot look that I decided to do. I kind of got the idea of someone's video like on YouTube and stuff. It randomly came to my head because I ain't like really know what to do, so I'm just like, we gonna give me some hair and just, you know, find out a little style to do, because I ain't do Bantu knots in a minute, and then I ain't do styles like this ever since my hair, you know, I had cut my hair, so I kind of like let my hair grow back. So now that my hair grew back, I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just do some Bantu knots. It's looking real good. So yeah, see you watching this video and enjoy.
Hey everybody, I'm back. So what y'all see me doing now is combing my hair out, obviously. And I'll begin to take a rat tail comb, take the end of it and part my hair into triangle sections. So I probably parted about like 5 to 6 sections of my hair into triangle sections. Now y'all see me taking my Shine and Jam extra hold gel, which is a hard gel, and I'll begin to take the end of my rat tail comb to repart the sections of my hair to make it more sharp and clean. Y'all don't even mind me doing these voiceovers. Like I barely do voiceovers. I know I'm not that good in voiceovers, but yeah. So I'll be taking my little black rubber bands and I begin to place the rubber bands in my hair. I already started to take some hair. I forgot the name of the hair I use, but it really doesn't matter. In a way it does matter because you don't want to use hair that tangles a lot, but I forgot the name of the hair that I basically start using. So here I am putting 2 braids on the sides of my head, and then I begin to finish the rest of my head with the jam. And the way I did this part, when I took the hair, I basically braided from the top. Once I got finished braiding it, I began twisting it. And that is the end of it. This is how it looks. So now I begin doing my edges, and yeah. Moving on to the face, I begin to take my Nika K primer just to moisturize my face. You always want to moisturize your face before you do anything else. New technique here: if you want your brows to be laid out flat before you fill them in, just use some lash glue. And the brow liner that I'll be using is from NYX in the shade dark brown. Taking my e.l.f. concealer in the shade chocolate and my Morphe brush in the number M224, I began to clean up my brows just to give it a sharper and cleaner look. And while cleaning my brows up, I began to fill in my lid space with the concealer also. Y'all, I probably sound mad dry in this voiceover. Like, I really need to liven up. Like, I can't be giving y'all this video and I sound like I'm tired and lazy. But trust me, I'm not. You know, I'll be having my days when I just don't want to do voiceovers. But, you know, I just gotta do what I gotta do. This is another brush from Morphe. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Morphe. I think it's Morphe. I don't know. And I begin to clean up the top of my brows and also under. Taking my BOLIVE Beauty, the new Persuasion palettes in the shade Cafe. Now I'll be using my Juvia's Place Angela foundation in the number 140. Taking my Morphe blending brush. The thing I love about this brush is that it blends the product in so well. And about the Juvia's Place foundation, you know, it leaves a smooth finish to your skin, and it's like a full coverage. Now I'm gonna begin to conceal my face with my e.l.f. concealer in the tone Camo. Now for the outer part of my face, I'll take the tone that I use in the beginning of the video for my brows, and I begin to place it on the outside of my face and on top of my forehead. I basically ain't want to take up too much time running my mouth in this video, so you know, because being though I'll be placing the text in the video also, I will save y'all some time of just hearing my voice, okay? So I'm just put the text and just let the video play out. So yeah.